Chapter 5 Water, Life-Giving Liquid. You know that air and water make life possible on the earth. You have already studied about air in the previous chapters. Let's study about water now. Uses of water. Water is a colorless and tasteless liquid. Humans, animals, and plants cannot live without water. It is essential for the survival of all living beings. We need water mainly for drinking. However, it has various other uses like washing, bathing, cooking, and cleaning. Plants and animals too need water to live and grow. Plants need water to prepare their food. Fish and many other animals live in water. Water is used by farmers to grow crops. Water is also used in factories to make goods like paper and rubber. Water is also used for transportation. Boats, rafts, and ships carry people and goods from one place to another in rivers, seas, and oceans. Water is also used to generate electricity. It is called hydroelectricity. Sources of water. We get water from wells, tanks, and natural water bodies like ponds, lakes, and rivers in villages. We also use hand pumps and tube wells to get water from deep below the ground. We cannot use the water of seas and oceans because it is salty. In cities, water is first purified and stored in big tanks. Then, it reaches our homes through pipes and taps. Do you know? Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Rain and ice caps are the main sources of fresh water on the earth. Ice caps and glaciers are found on high altitudes. Glaciers store about 70% of the world's fresh water. In areas where fresh water is scarce, rainwater is collected and used for drinking. Water from rivers, ponds, and lakes is not fit for drinking. Various methods like boiling, using water filters and water purifiers are used to purify water. These help to kill all possible germs present in water. Water passes through various purification processes before it is supplied to us for use at home. Do you know? The world's largest freshwater lake is Lake Baikal in Russia. Forms of water. Water exists in 3 forms: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, vapor. At normal temperature, water remains in liquid form. It is tasteless, colorless, and odorless. Ice is frozen water. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. Observe a glass filled with boiling water. You will see water vapor rising. On the other hand, if you place your hand over a hot cup of tea, you have small drops of water on your palm. Water vapor changes into water on cooling. Water cycle. Wet clothes dry faster when placed directly in the sunlight. Do you know why? Where does the water in them go? Actually, the water in the clothes changes into vapor and mixes with the air due to the heat of the sun. Similarly, water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and other water bodies changes into vapor because of the heat of the sun. This is called evaporation. This water vapor keeps rising in the sky. High in the sky, water vapor cools down and changes to water droplets. This is called condensation. These water droplets combine together and form clouds. When these clouds become too heavy with drops of water, they fall to the ground as rain. This is called precipitation. This rainwater gets collected in lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans, and also under the ground. This water again evaporates due to the sun's heat. This process keeps on repeating itself and is known as the water cycle. Water shortage. Water is very important for the existence of life on the earth. In many villages, people walk miles to get water for daily use. Shortage of water can also lead to droughts. Hence, we should avoid wasting water while brushing, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning cars, watering plants, and doing other jobs which require water. Every drop of water stored is every drop of water saved, which can be used later.